Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Hussein. For today's video, I'm going to share you another project. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment only. So keep in mind that crypto has a risk, guys. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the project that I'm talking about. So Live Life is a Web3 network that transforms real physical actions, going places, attending events, visiting stores, meeting friends, and into verified digital activity, guys. So instead of tapping a screen or clicking a button, Live Life validates where you actually are using a mix of location technology, on-chain reputation, and also gamified AR interaction. And once your presence is confirmed, your earned reward is XP, tokens, badges, ranking boosts, and also other benefits that build your digital identity over time. The mission is simple but huge, guys. Okay? So to make real life interactive, very waffle, and rewarding, in other words, your everyday actions suddenly have value, not in a metaphorical sense, but literally it is, guys. Okay, so what makes this Live Life special, guys? It's the Live Life solves a problem everyone in marketing, tech, businesses complains about. We live in a world full of fake engagement, fake views, likes, accounts, and also fake analytics, guys. Okay, so brands waste billions trying to figure out what real, and user rarely get rewarded to their genuine participation. So Live Life flips in the entire system. Brands get verified real human presence, user get rewarded for showing up in the real world, and ecosystem becomes transparent, fair, and grounded in truth, guys. Okay, and basically it's evolution of checks-in loyalty programs and social engagement, but upgraded into Web3 powered, tampered-proof Game 5 system that actually works in real life, guys. So that is the Live Life. Okay guys, so right now on their website, you're seeing the up to 200% live token bonuses is activated because they having a pre-sale of live token, guys. So as featured in CoinMarket, Binance, Bitget, MEXC, Coinstat, and CoinCheckup. Just click the buy button right here, guys, and you can just connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet if you have, guys. Okay, simple as that. Just connect. Okay, so after connecting, you can buy whatever amount you want to purchase live token, guys. So enter amount here. So Ignite 250, Rise 500, Lax 1000, VIP is 5k, Icon is 10k, guys. So just click the buy button here. For example, 100, you will get live token 5,000. Okay, plus 0 bonus. Just click the buy button and the transaction will appear at your MetaMask wallet, guys. See? Okay. And so the biggest treasure hunt in history, each live cryptocurrency pre-sale token and NFT pack may unlock a hidden chamber in the 2.5 million giveaway vault. Different token value packs open different chambers. Only one icon pack unlocks the chamber of $1 million in live, guys. So the vault awaits your key. So just buy now, guys. Okay, so Live Live, the augmented reality protocol fuzzing the physical and digital, turning everyday action into crypto rewards and RWAS. Okay guys, so again, the Live Live token presale is officially live right now. This is the earliest and most advantageous entry point into the ecosystem before listing, partnership, exchange, announcement, and large-scale marketing go public. If you've been looking for a project that connects Web3 utility to real-world use cases, and this is definitely one to look at. And I'll leave the pre-sale link down below so you can check it out safely, guys, on the link on my description down below. So just click the official pre-sale link on the description, guys, and then just connect your wallet like what I did before. Okay, and you can just add here again 100, 200, whatever price you can afford, guys. Okay, so right now they have a 2M raise or 100% raise or 42.62%, guys. Let's see the dashboard, no? After you're buying, you see your dashboard, how many tokens you have, history, and profile. Also the referral code, guys. So keep in mind that you can share it to your friends. Click the referral link right here. Okay, and share it to your friends, guys. So this is my referral link on the description down below, guys. So the biggest treasure hunt in history. So again, this is CryptoSane, guys. If you want to learn more about this application, I leave these links under the description again. You can see the join, the Live Life pre-sale, what is Live Life, their Twitter, Telegram, and their YouTube channel, guys. And also about the giveaway. So if you have any more questions, just comment down below. Again, this is CryptoSane. Bye-bye. And also, guys, don't forget to use my referral code, Professor Hussein, and you will get 30% off.